Hi friends, let us know how proning helps COVID patients. Lying face down is known as proning. It is a medically accepted position to improve breathing comfort and oxygenation. Proning should be done when the COVID patient has difficulty in breathing and the oxygen saturation drops below 94%. It is important to note that proning has been helpful for ICU patients to improve the oxygen saturation by at least 5 to 10%. Let us know the importance of proning. It improves ventilation and keeps the alveolar units open. It helps in easy breathing. It prevents hypoxia, which leads to worsening of complications. Timely proning and good ventilation may save many lives. It distributes oxygen more evenly throughout the lungs and therefore improves overall oxygenation. Proning is very helpful for home isolated COVID patients whose oxygen saturation is below 94. As you know, there is sudden and rapid surge in the COVID cases in India. This has led to lack of medical resources like oxygen cylinders. So, proning helps maintain oxygen saturation until the oxygen supply is being arranged. Self proning has to be done with proper pillow positioning. Proper pillow positioning is very important to allow the abdominal movement during breathing. Here is the proper positioning of the pillows. One pillow is placed to support the chest. 2 to 3 pillows are placed under the pelvis to support the pelvis. And another one pillow is placed to support the legs. Self proning is not just lying prone, it also includes lying in different positions. First, lie on the belly, then lie on the right side, then sit, and then lie on the left side, and then again lie on your belly. Each position must not be spent more than 30 minutes. Proning should not be done in certain conditions: pregnancy, severe heart disease, deep vein thrombosis, and unstable fracture of femur, spine, or pelvis. Proning should not be done immediately after the meal. At least 1 hour gap must be given. Proning should be discontinued if there is discomfort in any of the positions. Proning can be done for 16 hours a day in multiple cycles only if the patient is comfortable.